you understand how to done the welding? Now we done a welding job by using arc welding. Name of the job or name of the experiment: T-joint. Raw material required 2 pieces of MS flat of size 80 into 40 into 5 mm. Okay, MS means mile steel. Now we collect the material and marking, then cutting and prepare it proper size of welding material. Okay. Now we go to welding table, marking table. This is the 40 mm width MS flat and 5 mm thickness metal. Okay, now we marking it 80 plus 80 160. So at a time we measured 160 mm cm 160 mm. Okay, by using scriber and draw the line rectangle by right angle. Okay, now cutting this position by using hacksaw holding on bench vise. Now we hold it on bench vise. Now cutting it by hacksaw on marking position. Now this is the 160 mm job piece. Now we divided it into middle position. In middle position 8 cm or 80 mm. Okay, again we cut it in marking position. टूथपेस्ट हो गया. Now we polish the two-piece metal properly for welding purpose. Okay. At first side using the card file. Now another side. You properly filing or polish to remove the rust from the material. Now both side of the flat position, we place it in this way and hold. I will polish it. Complete this side, then another side, this type polish properly, remove the rust. To better holding. Now this is another case. It is also polished. Now complete the polish. Now we can done the holding by this polish job. Okay, now we go to holding table. This is the apron. You wear protect your body from sputtering. Now start the holding machine. Now set the current. This is the electrode already fitted. Now we place the job on the table because table is a cathode or earthing point. Okay. Now already start the machine. Now you touch the anode point, do not any shock feel, and if you touch the earthing point, again do not use any shock feel. But when it touch indirectly, then spark create. Okay. Now place the job in T shape, wearing the hand gloves. Now T shape हो गया, देखो ये T shape है. Now completely you done holding without leave the electrode at a time. another side. Again you done the holding another side. When you done the holding, at that time must be maintain the R gap 2 to 5 mm distance between job and tip of the electrode. Now complete the holding. Now you at first of the switch of holding machine. Now this is the complete holding job. Now you clean the holding surface by chipping hammer. Which carbon type instrument purchase outlet from the job or holding bead, that is the slag. That is the slag. Slag create after burning of flux, जब तक इलेक्ट्रोड का ऊपर में था. ओके, दिस इज द प्रॉपरली होल्डिंग bead. Again we clean by wire brush. Then you see this is the properly holding bead. मछली का जो छिल्ला होता है जैसे वन आफ्टर अनदर रहता है उसी टाइप का दिखाई देगा आफ्टर होल्डिंग. सपोज यू डन द प्रॉपर होल्डिंग. ओके.